Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Components of innate immunity are components of innate immunity include we have NK cells are innate immunity, complements are innate immunity, and integrins are innate immunity. T cells and B cells will mainly correspond to acquired immunity. So we will also learn about the so if you see Toll-like receptors are recognition receptors for pattern recognition receptor ligands we will see. Toll-like receptors are for bacterial and viral proteins, viral carbohydrates. Toll-like receptors are for bacterial and viral carbohydrates. Then we also have C-type lectin. C-type lectin is for terminal mannose and it is also for carbohydrate, terminal mannose and carbohydrate on HLA molecules. Then we have leucine type, leucine rich protein. Leucine rich protein is mainly for lipopolysaccharide. Then we have scavenger proteins. These scavenger receptors are mainly for bacterial cell wall. These are for bacterial cell wall. Then we also have um, pentaxins, that is CRP and amyloid. This is mainly for CRP phosphatidylcholine. This is for CRP phosphatidylcholine and it is also for amyloid bacterial cell wall. Amyloid bacterial cell walls. Then we also have lipid transferases. Lipid transferases are lipopolysaccharides. Then we have integrins. Integrins are also lipopolysaccharides. Then we have are for lipopolysaccharide. Then we have NOD-like receptors. NOD-like receptors are for viral DNA and they are for bacterial muramyl dipeptide. Bacterial muramyl dipeptide and viral DNA. For them, we have NOD-like receptors. Thank you.
thank you and thank you for watching.